Hello guys, my name is Richard and welcome to Burger Mandarin. In this video, we're going to talk about colors in Mandarin. The word color for Mandarin is 颜色, 颜色. The word 色 itself means color. The Mandarin for red is 红色, 红色. The right part of the word 红 is 工, which means work. For example, in the previous lesson, we've already learned that the word job in Mandarin is 工作. As you can see, 工 and 红 share the same vowel. A lot of words in Chinese are like this. A part of a word shares vowels with the word itself. So a lot of times, if you haven't seen the word before, you can still guess their pronunciations. So, for example, 小红帽, 小红帽 means little Red Riding Hood. The word 小 means little or small. 红 means red. 帽 means hood or hat. So, 帽子is hat. The Mandarin for orange is 橘色, 橘色. So, for example, the fruit orange is 橘子, 橘子. The Mandarin for yellow is 黄色, 黄色. The Mandarin for green is 绿色, 绿色. For example, 绿化, 绿化. The word 化 itself means to make happen, which is equivalent to the suffix "fi" or ties. So, 绿化 means to make it green, which means to make the environment green by planting trees or afforestation. The Mandarin for blue is 蓝色, 蓝色. For example, blue sky is 蓝天, 蓝天. 天 means sky or day. The Mandarin for purple is 紫色, 紫色. The Mandarin for pink is 粉红色, 粉红色. The Mandarin for brown is 咖啡色, 咖啡色. 咖啡 means coffee. The color of coffee, brown. Another way to say brown in Mandarin is 棕色, 棕色. For example, 棕熊, 棕熊 means brown bear. 熊 is bear. The Mandarin for white is 白色, 白色. For example, 空白, 空白 means blank. 空 itself means vacant or blank. The Mandarin for gray is 灰色, 灰色. For example, dust is 灰尘, 灰尘. The word 尘 itself means dust, and it is composed of two parts. The part on the top is a word called 小, 小, which means small. The part in the bottom is a word called 土, 土, which means soil. Dust is thinner than soil, so small soil means dust. So 灰尘 literally means gray dust. The Mandarin for black is 黑色, 黑色. The Mandarin for golden is 金色, 金色. For example, the Mandarin for gold is 黄金黄金 We've already learned that 黄 means yellow. 黄金 means gold. The Mandarin for silver is 银色银色 And lastly, the Mandarin for multicolored is 彩色彩色 For example, rainbow is 彩虹彩虹 Okay, let's do an exercise. Please recall the colors you've learned and fill in the blanks. Can you try to say red flower, green leaf, white cloud, purple clothes, black hair, and gold medal in Mandarin? 红花绿叶白云紫衣黑发金牌 Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to review the different kinds of colors we've learned today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this lesson or my teaching, please feel free to comment below. I'll see you next time.